A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School Lonavala. Standard 6, Subject Geography. Lesson number 6, Importance of Ocean. Good morning students. Have a nice day. Children, in previous video we have studied about oceans and climate, wind, rain, right? And in today's video we are going to study about oceans and resources, oceanic transport and issue related to ocean. So let's begin. First, oceanic resources. We have seen earlier that we obtain salt, fish, shells and other products from oceans. Beside these, we get minerals like iron, leads, cobalt, sodium, manganese, chromium, zinc, etc. from the ocean floor. We also get minerals, oils and natural gas. We get precious items like pearls, corals and ornamental items like shells as also medicinal plant from the sea. Oceanic transport. Oceans have provided us that most economic options of transportation. Large scale transport of goods is carried out with the help of ship, travelers, boats, etc. International trade is carried out on a large scale using waterway. Children, countries like Spain, Norway, Japan have a good coastline. Due to good transport by ocean routes, these countries have gained importance. Ocean currents are quite important in water transport. As far as possible, water transport is carried out along ocean currents. They increase the speed of ships and also save fuel to a considerable extent. Water transport is conducted on a much higher scale as compared to other modes of transport. Hence, for transport of bulky materials like coal, crude oil, raw materials, metallic minerals, food grains, etc., water transport is given preference. Issues related to oceans. Children, about 70.8% of the surface of the earth is occupied by water. In order to fulfill his requirement, man undertake many activities. These lead to the production of huge amount of different types of waste. Right? These waste materials cause pollution. Children, pollution of oceanic water is major and serious issue that has developed in recent times. Let us see various causes of ocean pollution. First one, oil spills. Second, releasing the waste products in the coastal cities into the seas. Materials thrown out from ships. Exploitative fishing. Exploitative means illegally or selfish fishing, overfishing. Cutting of mangrove forest in coastal area for making boats or using as a fuel. Next, disaster caused by the water mines. Excavation carried out in the sea. Children, sewage released by industries and cities. Sewage or polluting substance flow through sewage rivers or drainage directly into the ocean. As a result, all the levels of oceanic life, plants and animals are highly affected. Some coastal regions are providing to be death traps for aquatic animals. As a result, many aquatic animals are under the threat of being extinct. For example, the blue whale, some type of sea turtles, dolphins, etc. Children, a larger proportion of the surface of the earth is occupied by water. Most of the water is salty. The living world in this salty water is suffering from the pollution caused by man. Keep it in your mind and tell everyone we must avoid this water pollution. Few things definitely we can do: reducing the use of plastic products, use reusable products, for example, bottles and cutlery, right? Recycle whatever you can. Whenever you go on beach, stop littering the beach and start cleaning it. That much surely we can do in our level. Right, children? Here we end up this session. Let's have a fast recap. In today's video, we studied following points: oceans and resources, oceanic transport, issues related to oceans, and save oceanic life and avoid water pollution. Children, read this. Do you know all the columns? Can you tell all the columns? Thank you, children. Take care and keep learning something new.